Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be another unboxing. It is the Channon Rose subscription box. And when I first got the email saying that the box shipped, I was a little confused because it's supposed to be every other month and I just got one last month for December, so I didn't know if this was supposed to be like the February box but they shipped it early, or to start the new year off, they're starting the year in January and then it's going to be every other month. I'm not too sure about that, but anyway, it's here and I have it, so I figured I would do an unboxing of it. So when you first open the box, we have this little card with a rose on it, which is very pretty, and just a little note from her. And then we have the spoiler card, so I'm not going to look at it because I want to be surprised. Okay, so the first thing I see is this. It's French lavender. It's a body wash infused buffer. Okay, so this is interesting. Ooh, it's kind of like soft if you squeeze it. Okay, so I'm guessing you just like rub this all over your body in the shower and body wash comes out of it, maybe? Not sure. It looks interesting. It smells good, so excited to try this. It is super pretty too. I love the packaging. Then it looks like we have some snacks. They are, I don't know. Okay, they are from Laughing Giraffe Organics. They come in these little packages. So this one is a lemon snackaroon and then a chocolate one. So I'll have to try these out. The other snacks that I got, I forgot which box it was, but it gave the Justin's peanut butter cup, which was absolutely delicious, so excited to try these. Okay, then we have something from Pacifica. It is Persian Rose Perfumed Hair and Body Mist. Ooh. Oh my god, that smells really good. I love body mist and everything, so I will definitely be using this a lot. And I really like Pacifica too, so. And the packaging on this too is so beautiful. Then we have a little, a makeup setting spray by Kula, and this has SPF 30. This will be interesting to try. I don't think I've ever tried a setting spray with SPF before. Okay, so this is the last thing in here, and this is a little notebook. This is so cute. It says, "Hello Gorgeous," and the colors on here are so beautiful. It's from TF Publishing, and so the inside, all the pages are just lined and they look the same. This is so cute. I love notebooks. I can never have enough of them. I have like a whole collection of notebooks. So super excited about this. It is very pretty. Definitely giving like spring vibes here, even though it's winter. It's okay. So that is everything that was in this box. Overall, I have to say, once again, I'm excited to try everything. I will link the website for this box down below if you are interested. Once again, it is every other month and it is $29.99 with free shipping, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But I love getting these boxes. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love them. I use everything and I am very, very happy with it so far. So I actually just looked at the little like sneak peek card that comes in the box, and I realized that I was missing the earrings. So I started freaking out thinking that I didn't get them in the box, and lo and behold, I go and look through the confetti stuff that I just threw out and it was stuck in the confetti. So these are the little rose earrings that came in the box. Good thing I looked at the card, otherwise these would have been in the garbage. But these are super cute and they actually match the necklace that came in the December box. So these are very cute and thank God I did not throw them away. So now that is everything that's in the box. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time.